How to get free shares in Trading 212. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can get free shares in Trading 212. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to get free shares on Trading 212, you can simply invite friends and to get a fraction of the shares. First, you launch the Trading 212 app and then you tap on the menu icon or the three lines icon from the bottom right. Then you'll find the option there that says get free shares. Once you've done that, on the next page, you have to tap on the share link button and you will see get free shares worth up to 100 euros for each friend you invite to Trading 212. So you can just tap on the invite friends link over there. It will ask you to allow the contact access. So make sure to just allow the access. And as soon as you've done that, you can simply select the people to whom you want to send the invitation link from your contacts. And when they sign up and start investing, both of you will be able to get some amount of bonuses. So that's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.